So many people miss out on sales because they aren't using these three things in their welcome email sequences. Welcome. If you're new here, I'm Sarah Talbert, and this is your copywriting destination. It's a destination where you can learn all things copywriting with personality that's backed by words from your own clients. Let's dig in. Your welcome series email is vital to building true relationships. So welcoming them into your world is so important. But many people miss this opportunity. And if you want to see more on this subject, check out this video, How to Write a Welcome Series Email. All right, three things I see people miss in their welcome sequences. The first one is one clear call to action. Oftentimes we have multiple things going on in our emails, our first emails, our second emails. We want to give them all the things. We want to share about an Instagram link and a blog post and a video and oh wait, do I ask them to buy? Your first email needs to be very basic, okay? And it actually needs to have one clear call to action. This pertains to everything in copywriting, actually. So even if you're writing a long form sales page, you're even going to want one clear call to action and one main idea. Okay, so a clear call to action you could use in your first email could be join me over on social. Okay, reply back with your favorite fill in the blank as it pertains to your business. Or what is your biggest struggle with? Fill in the blank. Um, hey, tell me why you signed up for my fill in the blank for your freebie. I promise I won't hassle you. This is going to give you options for doing that research and figuring out why they signed up so that you can give them more information as to those particular subjects. So one clear call to action. The second thing that you're probably missing is your story. Now, this is not a place to share about your favorite cat or your love for tacos or anything like that. Although those are great things to share about if you can connect them to your values and your business later on down the road. But a true story of why you really wanted to start this business. What values are driving you to show up for them every single day? Aren't you excited when someone shows up for you rather for themselves? You ever have a friend or an acquaintance that just wants to talk about themselves all the time? It makes it hard to even think about why they're always hanging around, why they're your friend. Don't be that unwanted person at a party in your potential customer's inbox. Okay, share why you're creating this service for them using your own story. Okay, so the next thing you need to be using in your email welcome sequence is next steps. Okay, so this is an opportunity for people to buy from you, reply to you, show your services for someone else to participate in. So, an option to work with you could be through a course, through a longer term coaching program, a shorter call, or a strategy session. Um, any of these need to be at the end of your welcome sequence. Okay, so you're leaving money on the table if you're not offering this person next steps to you. If you think about it, they've knocked on your door, they've asked for this free offer, you've given it to them, and then if it's something that they're interested in, the next logical steps is an opportunity to work with you. So they already know why they've chosen you over the competition due to your other emails regarding your values and your why and your story. So you've already been set apart in their mind. But now they need to know how to work with you or what that looks like as a next step and one clear call to action for them to take a next step towards you. So you need a clear call to action, you need your own story, and you need next steps. Okay, so I'd love to know in the comments below which one of these you're missing or you want to implement. Go ahead and share below. It's okay. There are also my headline opt-ins below where you can use those for your subject lines. They make great options for lead in, make great open rates, and so forth. So let me know below which one of these, your clear call to action, your story, or your next steps are going to be most valuable for your email welcome sequences. Until next time.